Welcome to Nasdaq Trade Talks. I'm Jill Malandrino, Global Markets Reporter at Nasdaq. Joining me is Sanjay Mirchandani, CEO of Nasdaq-listed Commvault, to discuss new trends in data management. Sanjay, it's great to meet with you. Welcome to Trade Talks.
Thanks, Jill. Good to be here.
Let's start with an introduction. Tell us about yourself and Commvault.
Okay, I'm the CEO of Commvault. Been with the company for about 2 years now, and spent better part of 3 decades in the tech industry. Super excited to be at Commvault because I've done infrastructure, I've done a lot of applications work, and if I had to oversimplify it, I think the future's in data. Commvault's all about data. As our customers are transforming digitally across the world, if you would, the number one thing that they want to talk to us about is data, which is the lifeblood of that journey. And for over 25 years, at Commvault, we've built IP and capabilities to help our customers down that journey of data. So it's a super exciting time, and it's a really good space to be in right now.
Sanjay, what are the new trends in data management that Commvault has seen with customers in the last few months? How has Commvault changed its business strategy in the last year to address the pandemic and changing customer demands?
Like every other company, when the pandemic came upon us, we had to do the structural shift of going remote, working remote, building remote, delivering remote. So I call that a big structural shift. And for the first few months of the pandemic, that's what we were all focused on. But we were also simultaneously focused on helping our customers because some of them are more traditional businesses or bigger businesses that needed to move, that made the commitment to go digital. Going digital is akin to just saying, I want to move to the public cloud. I want to have a cloud architecture for my infrastructure. I want to have a cloud infrastructure for my applications. And we come in when it comes to the data, and we've been helping our customers down that journey. There's been a massive acceleration, if you would, to the public cloud capabilities. And the pandemic's really pushed customers in that direction. We're helping them in that journey. Our technology, whether it be our SaaS capabilities with Metallic, whether it be our core capabilities with Hyperscale, we're helping our customers down that journey, as they move to the cloud.
And how is the shift to cloud affecting your customers and your business?
Well, we've had, thankfully for Commvault, the last year has been very positive. Q3, which was calendar Q4 last year, was probably our best. It was our best quarter ever across multiple data points, and that's really because data management, the business that we're in, has moved right up on top on customers' transformation lists. And as customers, the customers that we see that are doing well are the ones that are really embracing data as the in the digital transformation journey that they're on, and we're helping them. That's exactly what we're doing. And we have a very unique approach that we call, that we sit down with customers and we help them evaluate what we call the business integrity gap, their desire to transform versus capabilities and risks, and we help them bridge that gap with data.
And you recently hosted your first Financial Analyst Day, during which you announced Q3 earnings results. Commvault has fared well given the climate that COVID-19 has thrown us into. Do you expect this to continue as organizations pivot back to the workplace and navigate the hybrid work environment?
That's a great question, and we're all working through it, for ourselves and with our customers. But we did have a good Q3. We've had a good year, and we also, as you said, had our first investor day where we put some medium-term guidance out, for the company. And we feel as customers really move down this journey of data, of digital transformation, what we do is super relevant. And we've gone as far as saying that our software and products CAGR growth over the next couple of years is in the range of 9 to 10%. More profitable, more ARR, 10% plus CAGR on ARR. So we put some metrics out. We feel pretty good about where we are and where our products are going to be used.
So what's on the agenda for the next 12 to 18 months?
It's really, continuing to do what we do, which is innovate. We have over 900 patents in the space of data protection. We've got many more filed. We continue to innovate. Customers expect that from us. So as a company in data management, that's all we do. We have to stay on the bleeding edge. So that's one. Simplifying in these difficult times. The last thing a customer wants is a difficult company to do business with. We are maniacally focused on being simple to do business with, and at the end of the day, executing to our plans. We're focused on that. Our roadmap of products is rich. What we have on the truck today is relevant. We've got great SaaS products that customers are really gravitating to. So we feel good. And it's about really focusing on those three things and driving hard.
And Sanjay, to wrap up here, as you reflect on change and transformation, what do you think is the next big opportunity within the space?
It's really, for the longest time, people thought about data protection as being backup and recovery, being able to get to your data if and when you ever needed it. Today, that's moved up. There's data protection at the core, but then there's also how you store the data, how you optimize using that data, how you protect that data from things like ransomware. It's all in the realm of data protection. So it's not just backup and recovery. It's what we're calling intelligent data services, a life cycle of capabilities to really leverage your data as a business. And that's the future, and that's where we're headed down.
All right, Sanjay, I appreciate the insight. Thanks for joining us on Trade Talks, and thanks for joining me. I'm Jill Malandrino, Global Markets Reporter at Nasdaq.
Thanks, Jill.